Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, back again with another air fryer recipe. Now today, we're gonna make homemade French fries, and the thing that's so good about homemade French fries is that you know exactly what's in them. So right here, I've got a fresh russet potato. Now you could use other types of potatoes too, but this is just what I'm using. I've cleaned it off thoroughly on the outside. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with these air fried French fries. So just get you a sharp knife and a cutting board and start cutting your potato. This is how I do it. You may have a more efficient way, and there's a lot of potato cutting devices out there. You can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find them. If you want to make French fries, you want to make waffle fries, there's all different types of shapes you can get. But a simple way to do it, if all you got's a knife, is like this. So I'm just going to go through here. No, not too exciting of a shape, but again, this is a fry shape, so get a variety of these cut here. These are going to be so much better, and they're going to be crispy. So now we've got our fries cut here. The next thing we want to do is grab our fries, put them in a bowl, mixing bowl. I'm going to put some olive oil. Oil is optional, but I'm just going to make them extra tasty with that. Again, I'm using olive oil. Something I do want to put on there, these are going to be a simple thing, could just be a little bit of garlic salt. And actually that's what we're going to do. So we're going to do, let me grab it out of my thing here. And you can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find this. But this is a garlic powder. And one might ask, well, why are you not using garlic salt? And I'll show you here in a second. So I'm going to put on garlic powder. Again, this is a matter of how garlicky you want your fries to taste. Notice I used garlic powder, and that's because I used sea salt instead of regular salt. Because if you buy garlic salt, it's typically got typical salt. This is sea salt, which in my opinion is better. And the bottom fell out of this, so I retrofitted it with duct tape. That's probably why you're wondering what that is. I'm going to put some sea salt on here. Again, just season according to personal preference. And then something else that's really good on fries is pepper. So garlic, salt, and pepper. You can hardly ever go wrong with that. So we got fresh ground pepper here. We're going to put that on there. And then we're going to kind of roll these around here. I don't want to get too much oil on my fingertips. So I'm going to take advantage of a spoon and just get a spoon. Mix all this up to coat the fries with that seasoning. Just going to toss them around in this. Man, these are going to be good. These are going to be super good. Yeah, so just toss them around quite a bit there. Make sure you get all that goodness on them. And that's the beauty of making your own fries. You know, I just did, for this preparation, I just did salt, pepper, and garlic and olive oil. But, you know, you can mix that up if you want to. Check out my future videos. I'm going to do a bunch of different fry flavors. So got that there. You can see the oil and the salt, pepper, and garlic is coated. Next thing you want to do is get your air fryer. This is clean, by the way. It's got a little bit of water. I just took it out of the dishwasher. So now what I'm going to do is dump my fries in there. Again, that's one potato. And what you want to do in your air fryer, you want to distribute them so they're not overlapping. And the reason is, is that by not overlapping, you're going to get the crispiest result. So look at that. See how I've got a single layer? So now I'm going to put them in my air fryer, and we're going to monitor this, but I think it's going to be probably about 15 minutes. Temperature of 390 and time 15 minutes. But I'm going to check them at about 6. So let's go ahead and get started here. 390, 15 minutes. I just want to go ahead and check these to make sure they're not going to be too done. Now actually these may be about right. I'm going to grab a fork and pull one of them out. And again, this how done a fry is completely a matter of personal preference. But you can see here, this is what these look like. And that olive oil really helps to helps with the coloration and helps that seasoning to stick. Now this is super hot, so I don't want to burn myself. That's good, but it does need a few more. It needs a few more minutes because the outside is crispy, but the inside could be done just a little bit more. So we're gonna. But man, these are tasty. Oops, I dropped it on the floor. But no, I'm not gonna eat it, even though my floor is clean. I'm not gonna eat it. So we're gonna give this another minute or so, because originally it was 15. So I have a feeling we're probably not going to go the full 15. Okay, so this will be the 12-minute mark now. Right here. I'm going to pause. That's 12 minutes instead of 15. Yeah, I think, yeah, this is on point. I can already tell. So this right here is 12 minutes. I thought it was going to be 15, but this is 12. And this is the degree of doneness that I like. You may want to go the full 15. You know, maybe you want them extra crispy. Yeah, those are done for me. You can see I got that good coloration. And the other thing that oil does, that olive oil, again, I didn't use regular oil, I used olive oil. It just makes them not stick. Look at that. Look at how good that looks. Man, now that is how to make air fried French fries with a fresh potato. I know everything that's in this, from the potato to the seasoning. So I'm not eating anything I'm uncertain about. That's a perfect, for most people, that's probably about the perfect serving size. So I'm going to eat this with some chicken wings that I'm also going to air fry. Check out my other video for that, for my air fried chicken wings. Thanks for your viewership, and be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IrixGuy. And y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. Thanks again for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. If you're looking for IrixGuy's Adventure Channel merch, like this t-shirt and a lot of other cool stuff, expand this video's description. You can find it all there. Y'all have a good day.